Welcome to Cloud Security Training Crash Course, introductory video, powered by TONEX.com. Cloud security training is an important part of cybersecurity. Cloud Security Training Bootcamp by TONEX provides specialized subtleties on data, information, and capacity security in the cloud. All parts of authentication, confidentiality, integrity, availability and security risks and mitigations are secured. TONEX Cloud Security Training Crash Course as a bootcamp style, is concentrated, 3 days long learning encounters that cover the basic components of cloud security. Bootcamps are perfect for occupied experts who need to remain current in their fields however have constrained time to be far from the workplace. All bootcamp incorporates experienced teachers including senior innovation pioneers, venture administrators, specialized creators, engineers, instructors, experts, course designers, and CTOs. Genuine precedents and practices. Little class in size. Customized educator coaching. Pre-training discourses. Progressing post-training support through email, telephone and WebEx. Course objectives. Audit the present condition of information security and capacity in the cloud, including confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Find out about the Identity and Access Management (IAM) practice for authentication, approval, and examining of the clients getting to cloud administrations. Find which security the board structures and standards are pertinent for the cloud. Understand the protection perspectives you have to consider in the cloud, incorporating how they contrast and customary registering models. Taking the significance of review and consistency works inside the cloud, and the different standards and structures to consider. Inspect security conveyed as an administration and alternate feature of cloud security. Course outline. Introduction to Cloud Computing. Cloud Computing Security Framework. Cloud Security Reference Model. Overview of Cloud Security Risks. General Cloud Security Challenges. Cloud Security Control Model. Governing in the Cloud. TONEX Cloud Security Recommendations and Roadmaps. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.